For all of my Canadian friends, this one is a Canadian fish. I caught him just over the line. Hey, you guys have a good day. Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from northern Maine. This is my third day of fishing out here. I've been fishing for about 2 hours. This is 27 inches, 8-pound lake trout. So, hope you can see him. Yeah. I didn't even hardly get to where I wanted to fish. Picked him up, was at 65 feet of water, right on bottom, with a sucker, a 9-inch sucker. But it doesn't get much bigger, much better than that for me out here. And for my Canadian friends, right now I'm in Canadian water. But just barely. This one was caught over on the other side of the line. If not right on the line, I'm not exactly sure, but it was darn close. This one here will get packaged up and put in the freezer into steaks that I can cook on the grill. They are really good cooked on the grill, but oh my goodness, I love these guys. And the best thing about it is this is the spring of the year. And every boat out here is fishing for salmon. Now I like to catch salmon too. But I'll take a 10-pound laker any day of the week over a 16, 17-inch salmon. And to be the only boat out here fishing for lakers right now, that's awesome. As you can see, there's not a lot of boats out here anyways. But in this particular spot, there's generally 2 or 3 boats. Earlier today, when I first got here, I saw a boat cruising through. But so far, I haven't got a hit on the salmon anyways. So, with this bright sun, it might not be a salmon day. But with that laker down on bottom, turned out to be a laker day. Whoa, camera almost fell over there.